Choosing a manual tile cutter can feel simple until the tile cracks in the wrong place. So let's count down these 5 options from the most basic pick to the strongest choice for bigger, cleaner cuts. The Tiler comes in at number 5 because it's the most limited cutter in this lineup. It's compact, easier to move around, and a good fit for smaller jobs, but it simply doesn't have the same reach as the longer 48-inch models in this review. Its biggest strength is convenience. In my experience, smaller cutters like this are great when you're working with standard wall tiles, backsplash pieces, or lighter home projects where you don't want a huge tool taking over the room. The non-slip base and included carrying bag also make it feel more beginner-friendly than some of the bigger, heavier options. The trade-off is cutting capacity. Compared with the VEVOR, IRONMAX, and ERGOMASTER models, the Tiler is not the one I would pick for large floor tiles or long straight cuts. If your project involves oversized porcelain or long planks, this one may start to feel too small pretty quickly. This is the cutter to consider if you want something simple, portable, and easier to store. But if you need more cutting length and better support for larger tiles, the next model stepped things up in a noticeable way. Links to all the products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. At number 4, we have the IRONMAX. This one makes a big jump from the Tiler because it gives you a full 48-inch cutting length, which makes it better suited for large format tiles and longer floor pieces. The IRONMAX brings a solid feature set for the price. You get a tungsten carbide cutting wheel, anti-skid feet, side brackets for extra support, and an angle guide for angled cuts. For someone doing bathroom, kitchen, or floor work, that longer cutting track can make the whole job feel less cramped and more controlled. Where it falls a little behind is overall refinement. It has the size and strength to handle bigger jobs, but compared with the more advanced VEVOR option later in the ranking, it doesn't offer the same level of alignment support or upgraded guide system. It's capable, but not the smoothest or most feature-rich choice here. The IRONMAX is a solid pick for DIY users who need a large manual cutter without going straight to the most advanced model. It's a practical middle ground option, and next, we have a very similar competitor with a slightly different feel. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more simple practical tool comparisons like this. The ERGOMASTER takes the number 3 spot because it offers a similar 48-inch cutting range, but with a comfort-focused design that many users will appreciate. It's built for porcelain, ceramic, and floor tile work, so it fits the same general project category as the IRONMAX. The main appeal here is control. The ergonomic handle, anti-skid feet, and removable scale are all features that help you when you're trying to keep a tile steady and score it cleanly. Compared with the smaller Tiler, this feels much more ready for larger renovation work. Its limitation is that it still feels more like a straightforward large manual cutter than a fully upgraded precision tool. It doesn't stand out as much as the higher-ranked VEVOR models when it comes to alignment features or overall cutting guidance. For occasional use, that may not matter, but for long repeated cuts, small comfort details become important. The ERGOMASTER is best for homeowners or light-duty users who want a bigger cutter with a comfortable handle and stable base. It's a good step up from compact models, but the next product adds more help for accuracy. At number 2, we have the VEVOR 120cm cutter. In normal spoken terms, this is VEVOR's 48-inch manual cutter, and it earns its place because it combines large cutting capacity with extra positioning help. The biggest advantage here is the infrared guide. When you're cutting long tile, especially porcelain or floor tile, keeping the score line straight is everything. The cutter also uses a tungsten carbide wheel, anti-skid feet, and a sliding head design, so it feels more advanced than the simpler large cutters below it. The downside is that it still depends heavily on setup and technique. Manual cutters are not magic. If the tile is textured, very hard, or not supported well, you can still get rough breaks. Compared with the top VEVOR model, this one also appears a little less refined in its listed design and support setup. This is a strong choice for people who want a large format cutter with better guidance than a basic rail cutter. It's especially appealing if you want clean straight cuts without jumping into a wet saw. Taking the top spot is the VEVOR TC-X01A 1200. In the script, we can simply call it the upgraded VEVOR because the full model name is a mouthful. This is the strongest overall pick because it has the long cutting length, the heavier build, and the most complete feature set in this group. What makes it stand out is the combination of accuracy and support. You get a 48-inch cutting length, a wide cutting thickness range, carbon steel construction, and support legs with swivel wheels. That matters because large tiles are awkward. The more support you have under the tile, the easier it is to keep the cut controlled from start to finish. It's not the smallest or lightest cutter here, and that it's worth saying clearly. At around 33.8 pounds, it's not something you casually toss around the room. It's also more cutter than you need if you're only trimming a few small backsplash tiles. For tiny jobs, the Tiler is easier to live with. But for larger tile projects, this is the one I would put at the top. It gives you the best balance of cutting length, stability, and precision-focused design. If you're working with bigger floor or wall tiles and want the cleanest manual cutting experience from this list, the upgraded VEVOR is the best choice. Check out the top products using the links in the description under the video and choose the one that fits the size of the tile you actually plan to cut. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tool reviews.